So re mi, sing and learn with Zoe. Hi friends, and welcome to Zo Re Mi. I'm Zoe, and I'm so happy that you could join me again today. I hope you had so much fun playing the butterfly song. I hope it wasn't too tricky. If you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out to me, okay? And if you were able to color in your beautiful butterfly, send me a picture. Now, I know that Halloween just ended, but it is still the fall. It is still pumpkin season. So I wrote a pumpkin song. I've got my pumpkin earrings on and I'm ready to play. Now the pumpkin song is also going to use the right hand, just like the butterfly song. And again, we're going to be using fingers 2, 3, and 4. Now, we do have a new rhythm in this song that we need to pay attention to, and that is our whole note. Our whole note, which, as I said in the Halloween episode, kind of reminds me of a pumpkin because it's nice and round. A whole note gets 4 counts, 4 beats. So a whole note we hold for a long time. And so we are going to hold that, and that is at the end of the song. Besides our whole note, we also have some quarter notes and some half notes. So just as a reminder, a quarter note gets 1 full beat, a half note gets 2 full beats, and our new whole note gets 4 beats. Now, you're going to place your right hand on a group of 3 black keys, just like the butterfly song. We are not going to have to move around. Your hand will stay on these 3 black keys, and you're going to be using fingers 2, 3, and 4. So at first we have 2, 2, then 3, 3, then 4, 4, 4. So we've got a bunch of quarter notes and then that half note. So we have 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Let's try that again. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Excellent. Then we're going to stay on 4 and move down. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. See that whole note at the end that we're holding for a really long time? Let's do all that again, and let's first, again, just think of our numbers, and then we'll put our fun words to it. So we have 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. Okay, are you ready for some words? Okay, ready? Here we go. Pumpkin, pumpkin, Halloween, big and orange, boo. Good job. Just a reminder, don't forget, we want to have a little bit of curve in our fingers. We don't want our straight fingers. We want a nice curvy spider finger and a nice straight arm and wrist. Let's do it again with the words. Pumpkin, pumpkin, Halloween, big and orange, boo. Good job. And again, we have a big pumpkin on the top of this page that could use some color. So I would love for you to color in our pumpkin. And if you do, send me a picture. Have so much fun playing the piano and singing. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me and ask, okay? All right, I'll see you next time.